Good morning. This is where we stayed last night. Just on the side of the road next to a hostel. This is run by a nice guy named Alex. You know, there's just a little space right here in the front of the property with a little driveway. Our friends that we met yesterday, Nadia and Victor. Nadia works with Alex, so she hooked us up with him, and he let us park here and spend last night for free. It was a little warm, but you know, it was about what I expected. So here's the inside common area of the hostel. A little dining area, a little living room. You can see the pool outside. You know, the pool doesn't look super clean, but it is. The water's perfect temperature wise. I went in there last night. We might be back again tonight, but we'll see.
Can I jump in the pool?
Are we ready to drop or no?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. Where are we going? This is the public parking lot for Playa Tangolunda. One of the nicer beaches here, is what we heard. There's all these resorts right there. And this is, they call this a trailer park. And they charge 50 pesos per person, which seems kind of crazy. Why should it be per person when you have to pay separate on top of that for bathroom and shower use? So it wouldn't be worth it for us. It'd be $2.50 to stay here for one night. They do have showers and bathrooms right now, and there's nobody here. Locked. Does it work? Works, but it's locked. I don't know. I guess this place is kind of closed for the season. So if we're gonna be here, maybe we can stay here for free. This is kind of cool though. It's like we're walking through a jungle.
We are walking through a jungle.
Yeah. We're on an adventure. Sandbags?
Yeah.
Sandbags for steps to walk on? I see it. So here's the public beach. Resorts down there. Big protected bay. Oh, except for this huge wave. Crash. Movies are not fun to make.
No.
What about ice cream? Is that fun to make? Ooh, like those ice creams that we had last night. You can be one of those guys. Just cooking it on a little skillet, frozen skillet. You can't eat that much without getting sick, can you? Huh?
Yes, I can do it. Ha-ha!
Haha! What happened to the camera?
I grabbed it.
Oh, why don't you go make a video of your girls and Luca? Mama's one of your girls.
It's dark. It's been 1 minute already.
There's way less people here.
So like so few people here. But I think that's more because it's right now.
I want one, Mama.
Okay.
Okay.
You can't leave
pick
it
one.
open because it's going to start
gonna melt.
melting. So, no, pick a flavor quick. Chocolate mint or lemon?
Chocolate mint?
Or,
Lemon? Want lemon? Want lemon.
okay.
It's cold.
Lemon?
Gracias. This way or this way?
No, en la esquina. Aquí muerde el mint.
At the corner, esquina.
Okay.
Exacto.
Esquina.
Al Buen día.
Gracias.
Gracias.
And just bite the plastic off in the corner.
How many pesos was it?
It's 5 pesos each.
That was a little bit. That's really, that's not a lot.
No. But remember, we got ice cream. We got a scoop of ice cream in the town for 8 pesos.
Remember, Mama?
That was very cheap.
Remember, Mama said we can get 2 ice cream each day?
I think I said 500.
Yay! Daddy, can't see.
Do you see black vultures elsewhere?
It starts in mainland. We don't have it in the U.S. We have turkey vultures with redheads.
Yeah. How come his head is not bald like the turkey vultures?
Should be.
Huh? That's where we're going. Llano Grande, 5 kilometers. We've been driving on this road for how long now?
Long time.
Long time. Straight?
Should be straight unless there's a
Yeah. Okay. Little restaurant over here. Huh? People come all the way out here just to eat. Here it is. Llano Grande. Bienvenidos. Alright, so now we gotta figure out where at the park and where the hike is. We drove about 40 kilometers up a mountain, windy mountain road. It was probably a little less than half paved, and then the rest of it just dirt, some of it really steep, and then we had to make a turn into an even narrower dirt road. Drove on that for about 10 kilometers. Now we're at this place called Llano Grande. It means big plain. Did you guys go to the bathroom? Good.
I gotta go caca.
Okay, go. We had to re-park. We actually had to drive back up the road just a little and pay 250 pesos for 5 people to drive down this even windier and narrower dirt road. But we are here. We get to park right here. We could probably spend a night here if we want. Right here. Las Caras, 600 metros. 600 meters to the waterfall. We are going. Las Caras de Llano Grande. This is the cool one. And it's supposed to be like there's supposed to be like a waterfall. And there's supposed to be like a cave behind the waterfall. If you go through and you can go inside the cave.
Guys, there's something in Animal Jam like that.
Really?
There's a place behind the waterfall.
Well, that's where we are. We're in an Animal Jam game. You can smell like just the brisk air, even though it's still kind of warm. But you can get, you know, the smell of waterfalls. I don't know if you do, but kind of like when you're standing next to like a river. Love that smell. The water is really clear. I bet the water is really cold. Look at these mushrooms growing on the trees.
No, that's what I said. How come there's nobody
Look at this tree made a circle.
Yeah, that's what I said.
And then it made a knot. Somebody must have knotted it when it was little. These are like vines. Somebody made like a little jumping platform or something. Look at that, you can jump from there. It was really deep. Mama's gonna jump with her bag and her phone. There's nobody here. How can there be nobody here right now on a Sunday? Yeah, it's family day. All the family should be here swimming in the waterfalls. You know, we could be just chilling back at our Airbnb, swimming in the swimming pool, drinking some beers. You know, maybe watching a little TV. But man, this is so much better. Here's the waterfall. Who wants to see how cold the water is? Is it cold? Okay, put away the borrowing walking sticks. We should have, but we didn't need it because we walked all the way without it and we're all fine. Okay. No, you have to wear a seatbelt. Finally, I got me some authentic Oaxaqueña mole. Chicken mole. Really good.
Remember at the place, they gave us cupcakes in Ventura, but it burned down?
Yeah. And they fixed it again.
Oh yeah.
What did you eat? What did you eat there that
What's called Cafe Nouveau?
Chili verde burrito, breakfast burrito. Potatoes and
If I go there again, I'm definitely gonna get that because
Yeah?
And it was,
Split it with somebody. It's kind of big.
I guess for a small one.
You like Mama's new style? I think it's supposed to be like that. Is that normal? Normal? Give me flavor.
Toy cream.
Flavor.
Chocolate little popsicle.
Flavor.
Lemon.
Flavor.
Poop.
Gross. Okay, let's go.